In this tutorial, I want to explain you about list comprehension in Python. You may be familiar with that, but even if you are not familiar, I'll explain really slowly in details. This tutorial has two parts. One is just for loops, and the second one is if statement and for loops together. We will do all of them in list comprehension to practice more. Let's start with for loops without list comprehension. We have question 1. We iterate over a list and we'll make a new list. Our list is A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. We will take A and we will get B. Let's start solving this. If we didn't know about Python list comprehension, we would do it like this. We first let's copy and paste this here, but these are important, you know. And then we say this is our given list, input list, and we start with a new list. And we say for x in A, B dot append x multiplied by 3. This is our B. Now let's print B and C. Okay, this is our output. How do we do this in Pythonic way? We do it like this. B is equal to x multiplied by 3 for x in A. Then we print, again we print B and C. Okay, we do the same thing. Okay, let's go on the other questions. Question 2. Iterate through a string. You are given a string S. Create a list containing the letters of this string. Input S is equal to Python. This is the output. Let's do this. How can we do that? We just do it like this. We take this string from this markdown cell and put it here first, and then we say, let's say list lst, let's say, or string list is equal to, we open the list, let's say letter for letter in S. Let's see what string is list is. Print. We just press tab and it prints. Print string list. This is what we want. Okay. Okay, we go on. I won't do all the questions in both ways. It takes a long time. I prefer showing more questions instead. What about range function? I just want to talk to you about little bit range function. If we want to create a list of numbers from 0 to 20 and print the list, what do we do here? We just do here like from 0 to 20, right? Okay, range 20. Let's see what this is, but we have to make this a list, right? Then we change it into a list with list comment and see what this is. Okay, from 0 to 20. Then it can be better to write it 21, and then we will have total 21 of them. If you start here this one with 0, with 1, then your list will start with 1. Always this is included and the second one is not included. What about you if you want to make a list? Let's say, let's write here 2 and see what happens. You'll understand it. Look, it is passing 2 by 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. Like if you write here 5, you will get 1, 6. If you start with 0 here, then you'll get 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. This is how range works, how we use range. Now we come to the question. Create a list containing the 12 first perfect squares. This one, the 12 first 12 numbers. Okay, let's solve this question. This should be output, right? We don't have an input because our input is a range function. Let's first make our range function. Just do this and the first 12, right? Then start with 1 and add this one. Let's see. Okay, now we have a list. We have our input. Now we will make our input. We will change our input to another list. Like let's say our list is squares. It is equal to x square for x in what? Range from 1 to 12. Yeah, this is our squares. Let's see. Let's print this list and see. Is this the list we want? Yeah. Okay, we can go on. And then question 5, uppercase and lowercase. We will change this into this. How do we change uppercase and lowercase? We do it like this. Our input is DS for 8. This is for data science for all. Here it is. This is our input. Let's make a list with this. This is our input, and our output should be, we can start from the right and we can come to the left if we want, like this. For letter in LST, letter dot lowercase. Yeah, what do we say here? In this list, take every letter and make it lowercase. Let's see what happens, and let's give a number to this, LST2, let's say, and let's print LST2. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, this is all for today. We just learned about how to use list comprehension in Python. Have a nice day, and in the next tutorial I will explain how to use list comprehension in if statements.